Hey guys, Marcus here. Recently, all my friends are talking about this little virus called Corona, and everybody are pretty much afraid of this new virus. Now, I'm not too worried about this, but in case of it gets worse, the best thing we can do is to improve our immune system because we will have better chance of surviving unlike any other bacterial infection. The doctor cannot give you some medicine that will beat corona for you because we don't have the medicine for corona yet. So it's up to our body to actually beat corona and survive. So I think it's extremely important that we talk about what you can do to improve your immune system in order for your body to fight off any infection that comes your way. So today we'll be talking about 7 things you need to be doing to strengthen your immune system. Quick disclaimer, I'm not a health professional. Take all the advice I'm about to give you with a grain of salt and ask your family doctor before making any lifestyle changes. Other than that, let's jump right into it. Now the first one is cold shower. We all hate the cold, but was a study that took 3,000 people who did never took cold shower before in their lives and having them taking cold shower every day for 30 days for 90 seconds. And the result was that the people who stuck with the routine had 29% better immune system. Now, not only that, they had better energy and felt a little bit happier in their lives. But what is actually happening in your body when you take a cold shower? Well, scientists have discovered that when you take a cold shower, your body produces so-called white blood cells, and they are responsible for fighting off any undesirable invaders in your body. Now, the cold shower has a lot of benefits. Here are some for you to look forward to if you are going to try the routine. Better immune system, more energy, reduced depression, stronger willpower, reducing stress. Talking about reducing stress, here's another way to get a better immune system by having less stress. Meditation. Now, a little bit of stress is actually very healthy and necessary for any growth, but too much stress can also be harmful for your health, and in our case, to our immune system. Now, meditation is one of the best ways to relax and clear up your mind, reducing stress. If you don't know how to meditate, there's a lot of videos on how to meditate on YouTube, so you don't have any excuses. And I will also make a video about this somewhere in the future. If you don't want to miss out on that, subscribe and hit the notification bell. 3. Get vitamin D. A great way on how to get vitamin D is getting a lot of sunlight. Now you can also take supplements, but if the outside is sunny, you should take it in a natural way. A great way is to have a run, a walk in the park for 30 minutes per day. This way you should be getting enough sunlight and, a little bit of exercise at the same time, so pretty good. The next thing that you need to be doing every day is making sure that you get enough high quality sleep. Studies have found that if you don't get enough sleep, there's a so-called T cells. The T cells goes down if you are not getting enough sleep. And the T cell is a very special type of white blood cell. They are one that fights off the bacteria and unwanted invaders. So needless to say, they are very important to have in our body if you are trying to fight off an infection. So try your best to get a good night's sleep, which can be 6 to 9 hours a night depending on the person to person. Moderate exercise. The next one that we need to be doing is moderate exercise. And the key word here is moderate. If you exercise too much, it can have an opposite effect that we want, because if you exercise too much, there will be more stress. Actually, it's almost better to not exercise at all if you are going to exercise too much. A good rule would be to run about 15 to 20 minutes per 3 times per week. Now, this might not improve your cardio, especially if you already have a good cardio, but that's not why we are here. We are here to improve your immune system. And the last thing we want you to have is too much stress. The sixth thing that you should be doing is improving the quality of air you breathe in. You have probably heard this before, that pollution air makes you sick and infection becomes more common. Now, if you smoke, here's one of the reasons why you should quit. Yes, I know that it is hard to overcome your bad habits, but if you care for your health, you should give it a try at least. Now, for non-smokers, you are probably wondering how you can improve the air you breathe. It's not like you can just move to another city, and yeah, that's true. But here are some things you can do if you want to improve the air you breathe. Now, if you have the funds, you can buy an air purifier and put it in your bedroom or living room. If you are on a budget, you can just buy some plants for your house and they will purify the air you breathe. But if you already live in a city that doesn't have much pollution, then you don't have to do any of this stuff. But it's good to know. 7. Well nourish. What I mean by this is eating well. Make sure that in your food that you put in your mouth is healthy and not just taste good. Now, you could also use supplements, but for most of us, just eating healthy is more than enough. Make sure that your food is well balanced and can provide you with all the vitamins, protein needed to strengthen your immune system. This means that you need to eat enough protein, enough healthy fat, vegetables, enough vitamins, and fruits. Okay, guys, these were the 7 things you need to be doing to make sure that your immune system functions properly and you having the best chance of surviving the coronavirus. This has been Marcus from Dose of Info. Thank you for watching. See you later.